In this video, you are going to learn how to transfer money from your Binance account to your bank account. I have some money that I send here to my Binance that I want to withdraw to my bank account. So I'm going to walk you guys through the whole process. I have USDT and USDC. So I'm going to convert this amount 1,707 USDT to USDC because I live in the European Union and USDT is not available yet. So I have to convert all what I have in USDT to USDC. So I'm going to convert that. I think I can just convert it to euros because you have to be able to convert it to euros before you even send it to your bank account. So let me see if I'm able to convert that into euros. Let's see. Yeah, I'm able to convert that into euros and it's gonna give me about 1,466 euros. So this is what I have now in euros. So I want to send this amount to my bank account. So what I'm gonna do now is go to the interface that you see here, the menu. So go to more, look for where you're gonna see send money or withdraw fiat. Click on withdraw fiat. Ask you what method. So I can do bank transfer SEPA instant, which is the fastest way of doing it, and it's €1 fee. So I'm gonna continue with that. So I already have my bank account here that's safe here, that I'm gonna send it. So I have Zen UAB, so that's where I want to send the money to. So they want me to know how much I want to. So I'm gonna insert the amount to send. Oh, I'm not able to. Let me see what's going on. Maybe I have to send the money to my funding wallet currently. Let's see. Yeah, the amount is in my funding wallet. I don't know why it didn't go. So let me see. Send withdraw fiat. Yeah, I want to withdraw euros. It shows that I have no euros, so I don't know why that's possible. Let me see. Let me send the money to my spot wallet from funding to spot wallet. Let's see, maybe from there I'll be able to send money. So let me go back to more, withdraw fiat. Yeah, so you can see that's the amount that I have there. The fee is €1. So I'm gonna now confirm, then withdraw. So this is how you withdraw money from your Binance account to your bank account. You can see it's not always that straightforward. You have to, try 1, 2, 3 times to get exactly what you need to be able to facilitate the transaction. In my case, I was having difficulties because the money was in my funding wallet, so I had to send it to my spot wallet before sending it to my bank account. I receive the money I withdraw from my Binance account to my bank account. This is how it is. Simple. If say you face any challenge, let me know and I'm going to do my best to guide you through. But this is for those who live in the EU. If you don't live in the EU, then I don't know how I can help you. Maybe we're going to look for other means for you to withdraw your money, maybe through P2P. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, do smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.